Property Insurance Explained, a young homeowner's guide. Welcome to Discovery Today. Hey, young homeowners. Just bought your first place? Congrats! Feeling a little lost about property insurance? No worries, we've got you covered in this quick video. What is property insurance? Think of it as a superhero cape for your house. It protects you from unexpected events like fire, theft, or accidents. So, if disaster strikes, you're not left footing the bill alone. Key coverage. There are two main heroes in this story. Dwelling coverage protects your actual home, the structure itself. Contents coverage looks after all your stuff inside, from furniture to electronics. Choosing the right policy. Don't just grab the first cape you see. Compare quotes, understand your needs, and ask questions. Remember, the cheapest option might not always be the best. Pro tip: deductibles. Think of this as your co-pay. The higher the deductible, the lower your monthly premium, but you'll pay more out-of-pocket when you claim. Choose wisely. Bonus feature: bundling. Combine your car insurance with your property insurance and unlock some sweet discounts. It's like getting two superpowers for the price of one. There you have it, young homeowners. Property insurance might seem complex, but with these basics, you're ready to shop for the perfect policy and protect your dream home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more homeowner tips.